like a dream, slowly unfolding in the album pages. Each picture reveals your smile, a mix of reality and fantasy. In each frame lies an endless yearning. Cherish the moments we have, even regrets turn into beautiful memories.
May 31 ba?
Wala. 30. So, valid pa yan.
Hindi kayo din. It's harder. Ngayong araw.
29. So,
30.
30.
Sa book expiration.
Oo.
Each picture reveals your smile, a mix of reality and fantasy. In each frame lies an endless yearning. Cherish the moments we have, even regrets turn into beautiful memories. Love is like a dream, slowly unfolding in the album pages.
So, to prepare the second step. In second step, 37.5 mg plus total of 10 ml. Therefore, Wensakan, hindi? Wensakan. Indifira budak sukar. Alhamdulillah.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me,
Yes,
May
dear.
amante ng Pixel.
Of course, my songs.
Bagupan, injection.
Paano na ito kung wala na ako ito? Iwan na lang ang aking
Iwan ng
finger.
lalaki.
Ano nangyari sa ilong mo, Kat?
Sabi ko pa sa kanya,
Bagong opera?
oy,
Ito yung... Ito yung kabay 1 take 1 niya. Naka-promo kasi si Myla, guys.
and I know when I need it, I can count on you.
hindi na ba din yun si Dean?
That's what friends
Bago ka!
Nag-i-stock ka.
Namuka ako! Sinasala kita sa
always have my shoulder when you cry.
Girly.
Kaya talaga ka-close.
Let go, never say goodbye. You can count on me. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like cause that's what friends are supposed
Happy Victory! O, ano masasabi niya sa Wadid? Ay, nako, watak ng buhay namin. Watak! Ayan o, super user.
to me. Every day I will you. Oh, find out what we're made of. We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me now. 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you.
Isa na naman po nating kababayan ang pinauwi ng kanyang asawa. In behalf of Department of Migrant Workers and OWA, headed by Mr. Arnel Ignacio, Myla, paalam sa ngayon. Taos-puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng pagkakataon at alaala ng ating mga pinagsamahan. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan at ang iyong kabutihan. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, nawa ay pagpalain ka ng may kapal at manatiling ligtas saan ka man mapunta.
Assalamualaikum mga Okti Hitsel and Tamayla. Ipahal. Namimiss natin ang Abo X. Na hindi ko na maririnig ang boses mo, Abo X, Abo X. Your voice is very nice yan. Powerful to the mama. Helping to Dukpi. We miss you. Good luck na sa inyong dalawa. Inshallah. Bye.
Enjoy your holidays. Long holidays, okay? No need to come back. Okay, no more tension. Enjoy your vacation, whatever you want, God will grant you. My love, I miss you always, especially. You are very beloved to me. You are very nice. Really, I'm missing when fire drill with feelings. Your boy X kiss my ass. Bye, my love. All the best. Good luck.
Hello, Hex. Wishing you all the best. Inshallah, babalik ka. Babalik, good luck and stay positive. Myla, good luck. Inshallah, magkaroon namin kayong ganito. Tapos, good luck sa future at saka next journey mo. Keep it up.
Hexie, enjoy kauhalay mo and relax and then stay healthy always. Sana magbalik pa rin kau marika mo. And thank you for everything. Ma-miss ko in mag-push, mag-encourage kay mama. Yalla mama, yalla, duppi. Na, mayroon na biyat to way na biyat to mag-ulakan mama. With feelings, Ebo X. We will miss you, Dayang. Stay healthy ka and sana katana and wish mo and pangarap mo makawa mo na inshallah. Dua alang and Allah bless you. May sa'yo, good luck and sana magka-baby ka na. Best wishes and God bless you always.
Mamiss ko na lang yung ego exit feelings yan. Inshallah, magbalik na ka. Di ka bukod na ka say goodbye for good, magbalik na ka. Basta pass the board exam and come back soon. Myla, mamimiss ka rin namin. Although ilang taon ka lang dun sa amin, at least may pinagsamahan din tayo dito. Kaya mag-ingat lang. Good luck sa yung next journey. Sana magkakaanak ka na.
Dear Ate Charo, ang kwentong ito ay tungkol sa isang staff na aalis na naman. Nagkaroon ng ilang taong banding sa labor room at saka kami iiwan. Sa kwentong ito, nagkaroon kami ng maraming samahan at alaala ng kasiyahan. At sa lahat, ang di ko makakalimutan ay ang kanyang pagkakurip. At para sa iyo, Hexel, although sa 6 na taon na ating pinagsamahan, alam kong marami kang pinatawad at isa na ako doon. Paalam kaibigan, at dito po nagtatapos ang aking sulat, Ate Charo, lubos na gumagana. Katrina.
Masasabi ko sa'yo, marami tayong pinagsamahan sa night duty. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng kabaitan mo at saka pag-aantay mo din sa akin. Minsan, di mo talaga ako iniiwan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Tsaka, mamimiss ka namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Good luck sa iyo at sana matupad mo na ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Matapos na yung pag-aaral mo at saka sana mabundis ka na din. Igian mo yung paggawa. Good luck for your new journey. Maraming salamat, mamiss ka namin. At saka sa iyo, Hex, maraming taon din nandito ka na magkasama tayo. Na kahit ngayon hindi na tayo palaging magkasama. At saka dati magkasama din naman tayo sa duty. Yung nag-ibang shift na ako, nandito na ako sa night. Na kahit na paminsan na pagbintangan ako. Pagbintangan ako nagsumbong sa metrics mo. Hindi ko nagawa yun. Naturingan pa naman kalahi tayo. Hindi ko naisip yun. Saka hindi talaga ako masipag mag-follow up sa idara. Kahit ang sahod ko mababa, hindi ako nagpunta doon. Sa'yo pa kaya ang ipupunta ko doon. Kagaya ng sinabi ko sa'yo, alam mo na yon yung sinabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko magagawa yun sa inyo. Mahal ko kayo. Good luck sa'yo. Sana magbalik ka dito.
Hi, May and Hexel. Good luck on your journey and happy trip. We miss you.
Myla, she's a very great person and she's helping all people. Really, I don't want her to leave this area. I love her so much.
Si Myla, unang kita ko dyan sa batang yan, maganda na talaga. Pero nung nag-assist yan sa patient ko, nakaligo yan ng Lycor. At saka nagbihis. Nung pagkita ni Dr. Cameron, gandang-ganda si Dr. Cameron sa kanya. Sister, you're so beautiful. Sabi nun. So, kailangan talaga, yan, maligo na lang tayo sa Lycor para tayong lalo maganda. At, unang ano ko dyan, sinasama ko sa mga outing, pero usually refuse yan. At saka, doon napapansin ko na napaka-kuripot na bata. Pero anyhow, may plan ka sa life mo, it's okay. Para din kay Hexel, you always nailed our night duty when you are with us. Medyo doon ko na start nakalimutan yung self ko na alone nung nawala yung family ko na umuwi ng Pinas, and enjoy going out sa group. But you change, so another shift, pero it's okay. Still, you're both young and do the best plan for your life, and hoping to have a love life also, Hexel, and a good family, and with kids, Myla. God bless, and hindi ito ang huling pagkikita. Still, we are just update in the Facebook, and we can always see in the social media. Bye.
Sa bagay ko, siguro yari na yung pinaka-mahunit video na nahinang ko kasi nga ang mag-message para kay mo. Isang bihat to, proud na proud ako para kay mo kasi nga at least naka-decide ka para habaran mo, at least naging strong ka. Asal ay since day 1 strong na ka, asal ko always iiyan kay mo. Proud ako kasi nga strong ka. Even mamiss ko lang to din mga times, yung mga moments ta, yung pag-akad-akad ta, yung mga pagpanaw ta, whole day di kita paglaulon, yung mga food trip ta, pre and post meal ta. Sobra ko mamiss siya to bagay. Sana nga tuod, mga lumaring maksud mo, makawa mo, hasusungon. Inshallah maging happy ka, inshallah mag-spend time ka, kamaas mo. Wish you all the best. Dari lang ako magtakad para kay mo. Even ikaw in forever, baby damulag ko. I love you so much, Pagay. I miss you so much. Bye.
Hey, Mods.
Yes.
Hexel is leaving.
Boys. With feelings.
Feelings, what can you say to Hexel?
You know I'm gonna miss her a lot. With feelings.
Yes. Oh, sorry, Doc.
Come okay. To face off.
Yeah.
Just say something. Just say with feelings. Face the camera with feelings. Wait. Just say with feelings. The word. You can do it, Faisal. Oh my Hexy. You see everyone with feelings. You know, we're just gonna miss you, man. We're just gonna miss you being spontaneous, making us laugh a lot. You know, when you are absent, when you're not on duty, when you're off. Oh my dear, with feelings, we miss those feelings. Hi, but now we're going to miss you a lot. So take care, bon voyage, and just enjoy life. Take care of money, and yeah, don't stress a lot. We'll see you, inshallah, my dear friend. Hope to see you back again soon. Ever X with feelings, BVS. Yeah.
Hi Hex, in Myla. Wala ako dyan sa party ninyo. Mamiss ko ang party, pero mas mamiss ko kayo. Especially ikaw, Hex. Mamiss kita sa evening shift. Wala nang maingay. Yung pagkain-kain natin everyday kung hindi busy. Mamiss ko ang tawa-tawa dito sa tabi. Mamiss ko ang boses mo. Oh my God. Anyway,
Sambuanga lang naman, malapit lang yan. Kita-kits. Inshallah makabalik ka. Good luck sa inshallah board exam. Kung ano man mga plano mo, good luck. Sana lahat ng mga plano mo, matupad mo, magawa mo. So, see you, inshallah. Magkita-kita tayo. Good luck din sa iyo, May. Inshallah, kung ano man plano mo, matupad lahat.
You are working heavy duty. Take rest, take deep breaths, enjoy your time, and have a life, inshallah. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Myla and Hex. First of all, I would like to say thank you, and I'm very lucky to know the both of you. Such beautiful faces, beautiful souls sa King Saud Medical City. Nakilala ko man kayong dalawa in a very short period of time, but yet from the deepest part of my heart, I'm gonna say, mamimiss ko kayong dalawa, but I'm really wishing you all the best in your upcoming journey, and hope to hear beautiful news from the both of you. And we may be miles apart, but I'm just one call away, and hope we could still keep in touch. Keep smiling, share love, and be happy.
In the middle of labor room, dear Hexel and Myla, I hate you both. We all hate you. Safe trip, enjoy your life, and good luck. We love you all. I'm joking, I don't hate you. I love my hair.
Hello. So we're gonna miss you so much. Thank you for everything. We are gonna miss you at Myla and at Hexel. Wish you the best and a happy, I don't know, long vacation. And let's hope that we will see you after 2-3 years probably back again. Yeah, best of luck.
Hi Hex! Happy birthday! Joke! Miss you all po. Kamusta kayo dyan? Si Hex, mabait yan. Sarap kasama. As in, no dull moment pag andyan si Hex. Ang original na Kyangs. Amigs, wishing you much joy and happiness as you begin a new chapter in your life. Good luck, Hex. Love you.
Hi everyone. Hi Hexen. So I heard you're leaving already KSMC. I just want to wish you all the best on your new adventure. Whatever it is or wherever it is, I know you will do good because you're one of the nicest person I know. And I know for sure that you always make a difference in others' life. I miss you and our gala before, so I hope to see you soon. I love you. May Allah bless you always. Regards to everyone. Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, ne. Masok na ko tudmoy. Kaya ingatan ko mataod na yun maging sad. Labi mga workmates mo. Anyway, inshallah, thank you Akatan. Thank you for your support. Kamo, family ta. Kaya ingatan mo mangunuin hinang mo para kamo, especially pinasyad to. Lagi ka mong support despite of any struggles na face mo dan di. And inshallah makabalik ko mari and take care of yourself. Yari kami lagi mag-support kay mo. Thank you Akatan. Mamiss ko sin kabatan. Thank you.
Hello tita, I'm going sa lambar. Hello, salam.
Turkish.
Daddy. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, magsukulakatan. We love you.
Hello, Inda Kamayakaw.
Hello, Inda Excel. Magsugulakatan, sacrifices mo kamo, magpagtabang mo kamo, nuwang unin decision mo, buhay mo, nayari na kami. Tatangan para kay mo. I love you.
Hi X, kumusta na? I just want you to know na I am very glad na naging magkaibigan tayo, and I am very thankful sa friendship na binigay mo sa akin, sa kabaitan na pinakita mo sa akin. I hope na sana parati mong ingatan ang sarili mo, always ka magpipray, lagi mong tandaan na nandito lang kami ni Auntie, dito lang ako, one chat away. I also hope na sana magkita tayo ulit soon sa pag-uwi mo, inshallah. And yun, huwag ka magbabago, and basta always mo lang i-priority yung mental health mo, yung physical health mo, and makinig ka sa katawan mo, huwag ka magpapagod. I hope parati mong i-priority yung sarili mo. Basta nandito lang ako parati, huwag ka maghiya na mag-chat sa akin. Bye, I miss you.
Dear Myla, it's been so long na pala. Simula na nagkita tayo. Pabalita ako na lang aalis ka na din. Ganun-ganun lang. Pero okay lang kasi masaya naman ako kasi may purpose naman yung pag-alis ko. So nga lang baka hindi na kita makita for now. Kaya ito na lang muna, you know. Tapos see you soon na lang. Tapos I know naman kahit saan ka pumunta, you are guided. Kaya push lang. Dito lang naman kami mga kapatid mo. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow, any moment. So ayun, God bless your next journey and your next, may God bless your next steps and plans din. I love you kapatid. Nag-dive kasi ako nakalimutan namin kanina pero love you.
Hi, Tita!
Hi, Tita!
Hi! Hi, Te! Thank you so much. Thank you for helping us, especially sa imong mga niece, kay Kyle and Ate Kaylee. And we're excited to see you here soon. Take care. We love you. What will you say?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Ay, Tata.
Hi, Papa.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
Ma.
Our pasalubong. Don't forget it. Pasalubong, Tita. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Ako po ang mother ni Myla Elaine. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga kasamahan ni Myla. At na-appreciate ko na nag-initiate kayo ng ganito upang makapaghatid kami ng mensahe para sa aming mahal na anak. Nagpapasalamat din kami sa mahal na Panginoon na binigyan niya kami ng anak na mapagmahal at maalahanin lalo na sa aming kalusugan. Siya din ay mapagbigay at matulungin sa mga kapatid. May anak, nandito lang kami ni Papa mo, handang sumuporta sa mga plano mo at mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Naway pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon at gabayan ka lagi. Magdasal ka lang lagi sa Panginoon at lagi mong tandaan na mahal ka namin, huwag palangga sab ka namin. We love you, anak. See you soon and God bless you more. Bye-bye.